Okay, so I did this little mod yesterday that I'm pretty sure it's pretty common on TSXs and things, but alright, so anyways, pretty sure it's common on TSXs. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is common on TSXs. You can take the stock intake piping and make like a ice box. So this goes from down there right to my intake. Now what's blocking it is the fog light. You could route the pipe like directly right here, but since this is already out, I'm just cut the fog light out and add in a velocity stack right there. So I'll be back when I cut this. So now it should just come on out. Yep. And if your fog light won't even plugged up like mine, you can just get a zip tie and hang that wire up. You can cut it, but I'm gonna get a wire, hang mine up. Now that's getting all the air. This wire, that's the goes to the fog light right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a zip tie or either some tape and zip tie that up or tape it up. I'll come back when I'm at this spot. But anyways, guys, that's what the car looks like now. Just got done taking some pics and videos. So yeah, that's how the car looks. I'm gonna leave it like this, to be honest, because I like the color the wheels came out. If you guys are wondering what color I painted the wheels, $4 paint, bro. Silver lining. Literally $4 paint. I'm gonna tape this up, then I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so anyways, you take your stock piping, you cut it. You're gonna put this one facing that. You're gonna cut that one, face it towards your intake. Then you're gonna route it right here. I'm just gonna go up through that firewall hole that's right there. And you can screw it in with, it's a 10 up there to mount it, but yeah. So you mount it, and then you got yourself a little DIY completely free intake. If you already have the tape or wrap and a cutting wheel, it's pretty easy. Next I'm gonna be porting and polishing this, and yeah, get my baby some cold air up in there. She be straight. Just need a velocity stack to go on that. That'll draw the air in. Your stock air box, you can just, there's mine. I just took off the little piping and stuff that goes to it and use that. You can use all your OEM piping. It fits completely fine. This came off of a pipe I just cut. You guys can maybe use that for something if you want to. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can use this.